Welcome my friends, it's been far too long. This is a video I've been thinking about for a while. First and most importantly, thank you. Thank you for over 15 years of support, for cooking alongside me, and for being part of the littleGasthaus family. If life's changed, especially after COVID, my passion and energy naturally shifted. I found myself drawn to a new chapter, helping fellow retirees like us to navigate through this amazing phase of life. Creating the same barbecue and sausage content just didn't fit my life anymore. And rather to just disappear completely, I wanted to be honest with you about that. That's why I started this new project. It's called Retirement Next Chapter Living. It's where I pour all my energy now, talking about travel, health, money, making the most out of your retirement. The spirit of community we build here is exactly what I want to bring to the new channel. This will be the last official video from the littleGasthaus. The old videos will stay up as our archive or cookbook of memories. But my new journey continues over on the new channel. It would mean the world to see you there. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything. It was an absolute honor to be your host. Keep grilling and keep catering, and I sincerely hope to see you in the next chapter. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye.